Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, flavorful and street style favorite, Aloo Garlic Butter Naan. It's buttery, garlicky and stuffed with delicious potato goodness. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup of flour. Add a half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon black seeds or kalonji, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix everything well. Did you know naan originally came from Persian cuisine centuries ago? 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Pour in half cup curd and knead into a smooth dough. Adding curd to the dough makes it soft without yeast. Aloo garlic butter naan is India's comfort twist to the royal bread. Rub a little oil, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now prepare the garlic butter mixture. Take 3 to 4 grated garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, and 1 tablespoon butter. Mix well. This will give that perfect restaurant style flavor. Take a portion of dough, roll it out evenly. Always raise the dough for at least 10 minutes, it helps in perfect softness. Garlic butter adds restaurant style aroma at home. Heat a tawa or pan, place the naan, and cook on medium heat. Don't overcook the naan, medium heat keeps it fluffy inside. Brush the top with garlic butter mixture, then flip and fry both sides until golden and slightly crisp. Fresh garlic butter gives the best flavor, don't skip it. Potatoes provide energy, while curd helps digestion and adds protein. It's a wholesome and satisfying treat for all ages. So that's our soft and buttery aloo garlic naan. It's perfect with curry, chutney or even plain butter. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite naan flavor.